Hey guys, I'm Joyce from Magical and welcome back to Magical's YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys 6 ways you can use AI to write your emails. So we've all heard of ChatGPT 3 and 3.5 and 4, but realistically, how many of us are going to go to chat.openai.com every day in the middle of our workflow? Not me. So today I'm going to show you guys Magical, which is a free Google Chrome extension that helps you incorporate AI into your daily workflow. And starting off, we're going to show you guys how to write some emails. So this is my favorite thing ever because I get email anxiety, basically putting off your emails for as long as humanly possible because you think they're really hard to write. You know when you get like an email that you know it's gonna take you at least 10 minutes to respond to, so you just procrastinate and don't write it. So the first thing we're gonna do is download Magical on the Chrome Web Store. It's completely free and there's 5 stars and 300,000 users. So now that I've pinned it to my bookmarks tab, I'm just gonna open up the extension. And first off, let's say we are looking for a job, but we just got an offer from another company, so I need to cancel my other outstanding interviews. This is kind of a tricky situation because it's just like an awkward position to be in. Obviously, people know that when you're job hunting, you're talking to other companies, but it's still, you have to put them down nicely. And maybe one day you'll look for a job there again, but you just want to maintain that relationship, so you can't mess this up. Okay, so under the prompt, this is where you tell the AI what it is that you want. I'll say, write an email canceling an interview because I accepted another offer. And then in additional info, this is where I like to write the tone. So I'll say, use a professional and apologetic tone. We'll hit generate response. And there you have it. Dear Apple, I am writing to apologize for any inconvenience I may have caused and to inform you that I'm canceling my upcoming interview with you. And from there, you can just copy it and throw it into Gmail, Outlook, or any platform. Magical works on over 10 million apps. Of course, you can tailor this more to fit your needs, or you can just send it as is. Okay, so let's say you're a student and you need an extension for your final paper. Of course, you could take the time to write this out yourself, but you might not write a very good one and your professor might say no. So we're gonna use Magical to go ahead and whip that up for you. We'll say, write an email asking for an extension for your final paper. Use a professional tone to your English professor. Hit generate response. Magical does its magic. And then there you have it. You, again, can copy it, paste, and just send this off. So that looks really good. You can send this as is, or of course you can also edit it, which is what's nice about Magical, is that it just does the first 85% of the work for you so that you can have like a great structure to work off of. And this helps prevent any writer's block that I have because it just helps me find a better starting point where I can leap off of. Okay, so the third situation is in sales. So let's say you work in sales and you want to ask a potential customer if they want to schedule a demo. Now, if you don't work in sales, you might not know that you spend a lot of time out of your day writing emails and cold calling, and it can be pretty exhausting and just mentally draining to do a lot of that. So we can go ahead and use Magical. We'll say, write an email asking if the customer wants to schedule a demo. Hit generate response. And of course, as always, you can personalize this more to your product. If you're a software company, if you're selling bananas, it can be literally anything. So as you can see, this looks really good. So I can also copy this, paste it into my email, and go ahead and click send. Now let's say you work in customer support and you are answering hundreds of messages per day. And let's say you get a really annoying, rude customer. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna open up Magical and say, write a response to an angry customer. And there you have it. You sound really apologetic and you can go deal with this annoying customer very easily. Another use case, let's say you're a recruiter and you want to offer someone a job. As a recruiter, you have most of your communications over email, so I know you're spending like the majority of your day in your inbox. So if you want to write a job offer letter, you can just say, write a job offer email. In additional info, we can say, for the role of a software engineer. Hit generate response. Magical's writing. And there you have it. It even gives you a subject line, so you don't have to put any effort into that either, but it sounds very, very comprehensive. It even has the competitive salary, the benefits package. It looks really solid. I don't think I would make any edits to this one. I would just send it as is. Okay, so the last use case, let's say you're a founder and you want to respond to some positive reviews. Maybe people are tweeting at you about how much they love your company or your product. Maybe you're like us and you run a Chrome extension and you have reviews posted publicly onto your Chrome Web Store. So we'll just open up Magical, tell it write a response to a positive review, hit generate. Yeah, that looks great. We really appreciate your kind words and are so glad you enjoyed our services. And from there, you can go ahead, copy and paste this onto your email, your Chrome Web Store, whatever it is. But what's even cooler, and you guys can check out our channel for more of these videos because this is just one of many really awesome features, but you can also save this as a shortcut, name the trigger review, and we can change this out for a variable for the first name. And that's pretty much it. So now, anytime you have to respond to a review like that, you can just hit your keyboard trigger -review, and you can either fill in the first name, or most of the time if you have a review pulled up, Magical will fill it in for you, so you don't even have to type it. Bob. And there you have it. Alright, you guys, so that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more productivity and AI tips. Again, you can get Magical at getmagical.com. It's a completely free Google Chrome extension that saves our users 7 hours a week on average. So if you hate typing and copying and pasting and just doing everything really manually, then I highly suggest going to getmagical.com and downloading our Chrome extension today. And that completes this episode. Be sure to drop a comment down below on what you guys want to see next or what you love to use Magical for. I would love to hear it in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!